Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is Rudy here with your yard service, and today we are on location here, and this lawn will get a little makeover. Like the initial contractor had done some regrading, and they have also done the reseeding and backfilling and grading of this lot, but grading not so much because they didn't really compact it, so now it's settling unevenly in places, and the owner called us to level those dips and valleys out with more topsoil and then overseed it again as needed. And we are also setting up a temporary watering setup here with timers and impact or impulse sprinklers. You can see those flags here. That's where those sprinkler will go. So yesterday already we did the mowing, so the spreading of the topsoil will go a little bit easier today. And we also did the power edging along the city sidewalk to get some curb appeal. So Seth is putting the dirt into the wheelbarrows, and then they got carried all over where they are needed, where the dips and valleys are. It's a little bit of tedious project, but we didn't want to have any bigger equipment to not disturb the existing lawn. We have some patches that didn't take from the initial germination. I guess that's what we're here for too, to fill in those little blank spots. As you can see, we already put down the seeds and starter fertilizer, and as we rake in the topsoil, they will basically get in proper contact with the soil here, and then like we also make a final run with more seeds, because seeds are cheap, and so once everything is leveled out, we're gonna put some more seeds down and rake them in and compact it properly so it won't settle anymore, because like the owner mowed a few times this lawn already, and it's a freaking nightmare because it's all lumpy, bumpy, and for an initial homeowner and new to the lawn game, this is frustration. So we are here for the rescue to make the lawn game a little bit easier and more pleasant for the homeowner in the future. Alright, though this is day 2 of the lawn rejuvenation, lawn leveling project here, and as you can hear in the distance, we have a water setup here. You hear that? So we have it covered all the lawn here, and 8 sprinklers on this lawn, so everything is covered, and got the seeds put down, we got everything leveled out, got it rolled, and now we leave it over to Mother Nature, and hopefully by the end of the season we will have a lush green lawn that is even surface, level, and very easy to maintain. Again, this is Rudy here with your yard service. Hope you're having a fantastic day.